Hello again, I'm Graham Cullingford. I'm the Master Technician for Sussex Caravan Centre, and I'd like to explain the combination whale heater which is in the Hartfield S 2013 model caravan. So the whale system in the Hartfield S 2013 is underneath the floor of the caravan. Okay, so you won't see it in a locker, apart from you will see a couple of air pipes that will pump the air around, the hot air around your caravan. Okay, here, so it's a manual system. Okay, up the top we have a water heater system, and down here we have the space heater system. Okay, but it's all relative to the combination boiler. Let's hit the water heater. So on the left hand side, okay, little flame emblem, that's gas. Fairly self-explanatory. Okay, when you turn it on, it will try and ignite. Okay, and if it fails, if the red light comes on, turn it off and then turn it on again. You've probably got air in the system, so it is as simple as that. Okay, again, this is another system that you need to make sure your water tank is full of water before you attempt to turn on the actual heating settings for the water. Okay, next to the gas, this is the electric side. So you got a single element and a double element. It's relative to the wattage that's pumping it. There's only two settings, so if you want it fairly warm and hot, okay, so it's just a case, you can have both on if you want to boost it, okay, but always turn one off once you hit temperature. Okay, so in the electric side, just literally one click up, make sure your mains electric's on, obviously, and make sure you got water in your tank, very important. So turn that off. Coming down to the space heater, so the space heater, it means the space you live in, hence it's called a space heater. Okay, the dial's here. Okay, it's a manual dialing system. Now, I'm not sure the camera can pick it up, but at the very bottom of this dial, we have a little gas flame symbol. Okay, so on the space heater side, that's for gas. Okay, if you don't want to use gas, you want to maintain electricity, you have three settings, so 1, 2 and 3 by the wavy lines. So that's your first setting, second setting, third setting. Very, very simple. Okay, if you just want to blow air around the caravan, there's a fan setting. So that's just the one down from the 0, which is the off position. Okay, in the fan position, it will just pump air around and it won't be demanding any heat. Great in the summer. Okay, on this side, very simple indeed, it's your thermostat. So if you feel the caravan isn't quite warm enough, just turn this up a little bit more. It's as simple as that.